Hey, it's Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I hope you're doing well, and I'm doing a 5-part series regarding some things that most consumers probably have questions about in their mind regarding commercial insurance policies or residential insurance policies, and basically property insurance policies all together. And today's video is about the C.L.U.E report. Have you ever heard of the C.L.U.E report? I'm betting 7 out of 10 people have no idea what I'm talking about. And is it by design? Maybe. Is it just because we're uneducated consumers? Probably. I don't know. It's tough to say. But this is the deal. The C.L.U.E report. C.L.U.E, C.L.U.E, stands for Casualty, Loss, Underwriting, Exchange. Okay? And these insurance companies share this information. It's almost like a credit report of your insurance claims / driving history. And so I'm going to post a link either above or to the side or below this video, somewhere on this page, okay? Like somewhere around here on this page, that is going to allow you to order your free C.L.U.E report. I order my C.L.U.E report once a year, which you're allowed to for free. This tells you what the insurance companies are seeing and determining your insurance rates based on. So I'm not trying to sell out my wife, but she got a speeding ticket. She got a speeding ticket, not me, knock on wood. But she got a speeding ticket a few years ago, and that actually shows up on our C.L.U.E report, based on how our vehicles are registered, so on and so forth. But you would never know that unless you ordered the C.L.U.E report, which is almost like a credit history for your insurance losses. And that's what it basically is. And so a lot of times now, what buyers are doing in real estate transactions is requesting the seller provide a C.L.U.E report for that property. Okay, and I'm not going to get too deep into it, but the claims made on a specific property usually live with that property. So when you're going as a buyer to get insurance on this property that you're purchasing, that C.L.U.E report that sticks with this property could affect your rates. How unfair is that? Just because somebody before you made a claim doesn't mean you're going to make a claim, or does it? And that's the thing. These insurance companies have so much money, such huge supercomputers, so many people that sit there and figure out the loss algorithm on what is possible or what is potential, and they have so much data. That's the thing. These insurance companies have so much data, just like data. Yeah, just huge amounts of data, right? And they use it against you. And that's not fair. However, you can at least get a report to see what they're saying. See what's on that C.L.U.E report so you can understand better of why your insurance rates and what you're experiencing through the insurance buying process is happening. And without that knowledge, it's hard to shop around for the best possible policy and the best possible rate. Now, this is the thing. The best policy doesn't always have the lowest rate. What? Yeah, right? The best policy doesn't always have the lowest rate. Yeah, I'm going to say it again. The best policy doesn't always have the lowest premium. Okay? Make sure you get the policy that's best for you, not the cheapest. Because I'm telling you, as a public adjuster, what I see time and time again, people try to save money. I'll give you a for instance, and then I'm going to end this video because it's getting long. But in Longmont, Colorado, there's a commercial property owner that when I looked at his, I want to say it was like 126 pages long, like it was a very large policy. I noticed the premium, I was like, man, that's really low for this kind of property and the price of the purchase that he purchased this commercial property at. And then I start reading through it. It's got a 2% deductible. 2% of the value of the property that the insurance company assigns based on sales and comps and things like that. I'm sure they're probably pretty accurate within a 10% variance. But now it is a 2% deductible. That can get expensive very quickly, okay? So say you have a $10 million policy, okay? It's a $200,000 deductible. Yeah, it gets high very quickly. Anyhow, my point is this. Make sure you understand what is on your C.L.U.E report. Order your free report today and they'll mail it to you. It'll take a couple weeks to get, but you need to understand what is on your C.L.U.E report so you can then determine the best way to move forward. And sometimes there are inaccuracies on the C.L.U.E report. What? Yeah, seriously. And so you can clear those inaccuracies up by contacting the people that do the C.L.U.E report and basically fighting it almost like your credit report. Have you ever had something negative or inaccurate show up on your credit report? Yes, I have. And so you can fight that as well. So I hope you've learned something today. I hope this video serves you. I'm here to give you information that is very relevant to you as a consumer, commercial property owner, multifamily HOA property manager, residential property owner. If you have a legitimate property insurance claim, if it was fire, if it was wind, if it was hail, contact us today. The sooner you contact us, the better it is for you, the easier it is for us because the more options you have. BellatorClaims.com.